Anybody that has any credentials as a retrovirologist knows of this enzyme. The Nobel Prize was awarded to David Baltimore for it. Rudy Yanish showed very early in the outbreak that you could get this phenomena of reverse transcription of RNA into DNA. There's also another pathway for doing this, which has to do with formation of triple helix. So the RNA can kind of wrap itself around the DNA double helix or an open DNA single strand and influence the replication of the DNA and cause that to then incorporate these sequences. The key question is it clinically relevant? Does this happen often enough to be associated with clinical disease? And if it does, the place you're most likely to find it is in oncology, in the development of cancers, tumor cells. And that also has been long known. So any of these folks that deny that this could happen are not on solid scientific ground. And usually the ones that are making these statements have no solid scientific training, because anybody who does have knowledge in this area and training knows that this is a well understood and accepted phenomena. Again, what I emphasize is that we need to recognize that just because something can happen doesn't mean that it does happen at a sufficient frequency to cause clinical disease. The flip side is we can't rule out that it doesn't, because the pharmaceutical industry did not do its job and the FDA did not insist on its doing its job and characterizing what's called genotoxicity, which is a standard set of assays that would be done to rule out this kind of phenomena. And for some reason, the FDA elected to apply the vaccines checklist as opposed to the gene therapy checklist. And here we are, still speculating about something that should have been well understood long before these products were administered to billions of humans.